Will Bitcoin history repeat itself like it did in the previous cycle during the COVID crash? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice like always. Please watch this video till the end. And in this video, I'm gonna talk just a simple market overview. What is going on in the market? And I see that this type of setup comparing with the previous crash during the COVID. I remember it vividly. I can even smell that. I can even it feels like it was yesterday. So I remember this, and a lot of people are trying to compare the previous Black Swan event with this one. So I'm gonna tell you my thoughts. There's two reasons I won't be relying on this one single setup. Why? Because Bitcoin has never been into recession. Never, ever. So this is the first time. We'll see how it plays out. And of course, we didn't have enough volume in the market like we did in the previous cycle. Right now we have Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, a lot of investors. There's a way more money inside the market than it was last time. So according to the money flow indicator, I cannot say that this will play out exactly the same, but of course the pattern, I won't be relying on this. What is this? Expanding triangle pattern, wedge pattern. So I wouldn't be relying only on this single setup. I would need to go on the lower time frame and take a look. But if it does play out, that would be pretty awesome. Just like this. Of course, Bitcoin strongly bounces back up. Look at this. That would be wonderful if we're gonna flip above this resistance zone. Movement to the upside, but we'll see, because there's a lot of heat in the market. War, inflation, everything. There's a lot of heat in the market, so we'll see. But I won't be relying only on this specific on this single setup. We can see a lower price, but of course I'm still accumulating heavily Ethereum and some altcoins, not especially Bitcoin, but of course Bitcoin is our godfather, so we need to take a look what's up time to time with Bitcoin. And of course, huge applause, because we have a green day in the market. So we'll see how this day will close, how the candle will close on the daily time frame. So yeah, so that's good news, but we'll see how long it will last. All right, so let's jump straight into a Twitter. What is up? What is going on Twitter? Of course, this is definitely us who bought a lot of altcoins, and right now altcoins found their new bottoms and after a 5% bouncing back up. Yeah, this is definitely us. If you can relate to this, comment down below. I don't know if this is a good news or bad news, but for the Bitcoin, it's good news, because the money printing machine is going to be turned back on tomorrow, probably, because US Treasury will bring buying back 46 billion in government's debt starting tomorrow. So they're starting to printing more money. Fed printing machine is back on. Everyone is tweeting, so we'll see. Of course, when they start to printing more money, Bitcoin price is correlates and has to increase, technically. But we'll see. Let's just wait for tomorrow. This is just a simple market overview video. Of course, whales are still buying Bitcoin heavily. They're accumulating Bitcoin. They're buying. They're holding. So this is bullish. And of course, just since 3 hours ago, 6.4 trillion wiped out from the global stock market, which is absolutely scary according to Bloomberg. Like I mentioned before, I need to see how I told you in my previous video that I want to see how that day will close, but I need to see how this day will close as well. So of course, Japanese stocks up around 11%, so we'll see some recovery. That's good news, but of course we'll see how long it will last. All right, so in conclusion, I won't be relying on only this single setup. I need more data, and of course this is a daily time frame. Look at this massive this is a previous COVID crash, and look at this massive expanding, I don't know, triangle, falling wedge pattern, you name it, I don't care. So we still need more data, and there's also a probability to see a lower price on Bitcoin. But of course, you can keep an eye on this setup. We'll see, because yeah, this descending trend line, let's just say it's a descending line who acts like a support. So if the Bitcoin will where's my pen, will decides to retest some, I don't know, supply zones, and boom, move to the downside, this after getting this multiple touches, yeah, this descending trend line is valid, and this is our potential support at, well, that would be wonderful, at $47,000. So we'll see, because yeah, because that would be accurate, I mean, according to this trend line. And let me just boom, of course, let's just go on a lower time frame. Bitcoin bouncing back up from this demand zone that I told you yesterday. We'll see how this day will close on the 4-hour time frame. This descending trend line is selling pressure, and for me to be bullish again, I would love to see something like this. That would be wonderful, but I don't think that we'll see that. But you know, I don't have a crystal ball. Let's just wait. Only speculation, only seeing what is going on in the market right now. Boom, after retest, moving to the downside, also a possible scenario. So of course, we'll see what the tomorrow will bring us. All right, let me just quickly delete this. Let's be patient, let the opportunity come to you, don't chase it. All right, Ethereum looks not that strong as a Bitcoin right now, but also waiting for tomorrow. Maybe we're gonna see, I don't know, insane rally to the upside around this golden zone, like I mentioned in the previous video. Boom, just like that. Boom, moving to the downside. So that would be, according to the market structure, a perfect movement and a perfect place to open a short sell position. So keep an eye on this setup as well. Also, Altcoin, one of my favorite projects, definitely favorite projects, bounces strong. I mean, I want this candle to be close around here to be, I don't know, a little bit more bullish again. Look at the money flow on Altcoin, the previous time, boom, movement to the upside. And right now we see exactly the same thing, but we'll see, maybe we're gonna see a bigger drawdown. But right now, bounce strongly back from this demand zone. And there I can see one moment please. I can see a descending trend line that is also acts as a resistance right now. So I'm looking forward for the price to retest around this level. That would be beautiful connected with I don't know, this around here, key level around 6.6. so that would be beautifully connected, and then movement to the downside again, short sell position. But of course, if the price is gonna flip above this key level, above this resistance zone, also probably to see a movement to downside, to the upside. But of course, there's a lot of heat in the market, and I don't know what to expect. For me, I don't know, to be bullish again. So I'm just waiting for some kind of bullish news. Right now I have to add some fundamental analysis as well, because yeah, there's the heat in the market and everything, war, inflation. What else? What surprised me, that Notcoin, also one of my favorite projects, altcoins, Telegram coins, are doing pretty well. Strongly bouncing back from this, I don't know, it formed on the daily time frame, it formed a falling wedge pattern that was respected. The respect is here. 1 2 3, 1 2, let's just say it's a third one right here, 3 touches, multiple touches. I believe that is confirmed. And of course, this descending trend line was broken. Buyers won, accumulating more Notcoin. Maybe the movement to the upside, and after retesting again this descending or the top trend line, movement to the downside, it is a possible scenario. Of course, everybody's texting me on my Telegram, why are you so comfortable, and why are you acting normally after this crash? Well, let me tell you. If you've been following me on Twitter and of course my Telegram group, I mean, links down below. Telegram is my trading group. Whenever I'm doing my movement, I mean, trading calls and whatever, it's absolutely free. Go check it out. I'm always like updating you and posting every single stuff that I'm doing. So if you want to be close to me, always join my trading community and turn on your notifications and wait for my call. So if you're following me on Twitter, look at that. Look at this technical analysis. All right, let's just zoom in. I cannot say that I was right about this. That was our Bitcoin halving event. And of course, boom, movement to the upside. And that's what happened right now. And Bitcoin is, well, it didn't go that low, but all I want to say, I was prepared for this mentally. I prepared for this mentally. Bitcoin is around right now at around like what, this level. So if we're gonna see a bigger movement, I mean, to the downside, all those key levels are a possible scenario of retesting all over again. But I was mentally prepared for this. I shared it with you guys, so that is why I didn't like accumulating or buying altcoins, everything that heavily. I was waiting for some kind of pullback, because for me everything was in the extremely overbought territory. Look at this baby. Look at this money flow. Ooh, riding up this baby. So yeah, these are my thoughts. Market overview, quickly overviewing what is going on in the market. Do not rely on those simple patterns that like the history could repeat it. So yeah, it could, but I mean, Bitcoin has never been to recession, and there was not that much volume in the market that we have right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum's ETF, we have everything. So we'll see. Stay calm, be patient, don't be greedy, let the opportunity come to you, and let's wait for tomorrow when they start printing, I don't know, more money. Well, it's already happening, but according to my sources, tomorrow they'll start printing more money. The money machine will be turned on again. So yeah, guys, stay safe, stop panicking, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.